Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Cameras on, please. Divyansh, Lavish.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, बच्चे. Cameras on. Divyansh Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Camera on. Cameras on, everybody. Children, we will continue from the previous class that we left on, okay? Right, class?
Okay.
Fine.
What will do in this class?
Can you all see the screen?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How many of you were there in the previous class? I think almost all of you were there in the previous class.
No, ma'am.
I was there.
Many.
I was there.
Ma'am, I was not.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Those who were not there, they.
I was there.
Fine. Those who were there.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. I am underlining certain lines. You need to follow it, okay?
And we have read this para.
I know.
Ma'am, I have notes of this chapter. Ma'am, I have made.
Very good. That's really very nice. These are those lines which you need to underline, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now talking about,
Ma'am, can we write notes and unnotes?
you want to write notes? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have.
Ma'am, by making ourselves only.
You need to make on your own. You people can share it with me. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, ma'am.
Okay, we were over here. Jaskirat?
Yes, ma'am.
You have zoomed the screen.
Up till where?
You called my name.
हाँ, up till where we have done, please let me know.
Ma'am, we have to start from page number 2, India and the world paragraph. Ma'am, I read till the south to north.
Okay, fine.
But ma'am, I think you were explaining.
हाँ, this is what.
Yes,
right?
ma'am, you were.
हाँ. This portion, the second paragraph of left hand side, India is bounded by the Youngfold Mountains in the northwest. This I was telling you. I told you.
Yes, ma'am.
When you move towards from the Indian Ocean, when you move towards the west, east and the west, you get Bay of Bengal on the east and Arabian Sea towards the west, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
coming to the third paragraph, they are telling you that the latitudinal and the longitudinal extent of the Indian mainland is about 30 degrees, right? It is about how many degrees?
30 degrees.
30
30
degrees.
degrees.
So it says that despite this fact, the east-west extent appears to be smaller than the north-south extent. ठीक है? Have you understood these lines? हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
मेरा ईस्ट वेस्ट एक्सटेंड जो है वो ज्यादा बड़ा है, बट वो नॉर्थ साउथ एक्सटेंड से छोटा लगता है. ठीक है? वो इसलिए क्योंकि लॉन्गिट्यूड में जब हम देखते हैं डिग्रीज को कवर हम जब करते हैं तो वो हमें छोटा लगता है. ठीक है? अब सेकंड नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. यस बेटा.
Ma'am, in longitudinal extent, it is measured from Kashmir to Kanyakumari.
आई एम
Yes.
बेटा सारे दोबारा बताओ बेटा, हमें समझ नहीं आया बच्चे. फ्रॉम
Ma'am, in longitudinal extent, which is measured is 3,214 kilometers, is measured from Kashmir to Kanyakumari.
हाँ, कश्मीर टू कन्याकुमारी.
Ma'am, yesterday I saw on Google, ma'am, it was showing that India is still Karakoram.
इंडिया इज स्टिल.
Ma'am, Karakoram. It is not till Kanyakumari.
बेटा ये जो वो बात ठीक है, ये जो एक्सटेंड 37 डिग्रीज 6 मिनट्स दिखा रहे हैं, ये आपका पीओके आ जाता है, पाकिस्तान ऑक्यूपाइड कश्मीर. ठीक है? इस रीजन को मुझे नाम याद नहीं आ रहा है, इस रीजन को हम बुलाते हैं, इट इज दैट, कौन सा एरिया है ये? एग्जैक्टली आई एम नॉट गेटिंग. इस जो पीओके वाला पार्ट है इसको कुछ नाम दिया
Ma'am,
गया है.
Azad Jammu Kashmir.
नहीं 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 नहीं, नॉट दैट.
Ma'am, we call it Azad Jammu Kashmir.
It is when we talk of the political divisions, no, in that political division there is a specific area region name of this place. Okay, fine. Now coming to the fourth paragraph.
So, ma'am,
Yes.
Karakoram is at the top.
Karakoram is over here only. Yes.
Ma'am, Karakoram is at the top or Kashmir?
बेटा कश्मीर तो लैंड एरिया में आता है, काराकोरम आर माउंटेन्स. नो, दे आर द माउंटेन्स. ठीक है?
मैम, मैं कश्मीर टू कन्याकुमारी लिखूं?
आप कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी की बात कर रहे हो, पर काराकोरम रीजन जो है वो आपका हम कैसे बताएं आपको? जस्ट अ सेकेंड. ना,
Excuse me,
यस बेटा.
ma'am. Could you excuse me for just 1 minute?
यस यस अनोखी.
I just need to go and come back.
हाँ हाँ, ये
Thank
जो
you, ma'am.
portion है ना, हाँ, ये जो एरिया है दिख रहा है आपको ये?
यस मैम.
Yes, ma'am. This is POK.
दिस इज काराकोरम. ठीक है? ये यहाँ से शुरू होता है काराकोरम. ठीक है? ये काराकोरम रेंज है. ठीक है?
So मैम, Karakoram is at the top.
हाँ, काराकोरम टॉप पे है
Ma'am,
ना.
but this side is of China. Ma'am. How can Pakistan occupy?
बेटा I'll tell you. See, this whole portion is occupied by it is the POK. Okay. Fine class.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me erase. ठीक है, इतना क्लियर हुआ ना?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए अब हम आ जाते हैं to the fourth paragraph. Now, because they have told you that the longitudinal extent of the mainland is of about 30 degrees. So from when we move from Arunachal to Gujarat, हमारा जो अर्थ रोटेट करती है ईस्ट टू वेस्ट करती है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
हाँ
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
हाँ, तो कह रहा है when the earth moves from Arunachal to Gujarat in the rotation part, Arunachal is the state that receives the first rays of the sun in the morning somewhere around 4 o'clock, and when it moves toward when the earth changes the position, when the earth moves in that towards Gujarat, so the sun rises at somewhere around at 6 o'clock in Gujarat. So there is a 2 hours time lag between the sunrise of Arunachal to Gujarat, right? Accordingly, every place has the sunrise time period. I hope you people are aware of it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. Now, because of the time lag, it will become very difficult for the people to keep a track on the time part. If we are talking about time, exact time from one place to another place, then there will be variation because of this latitudinal or longitudinal differences which are there. So keep to have a track of that. A
Yes.
standard meridian which passes through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, Allahabad, 82.5 degree east longitude has been taken as the standard meridian of our country.
For the whole country.
And whatever time is there at the standard meridian, that time is taken for the whole country. Fine? Fine,
Yes.
class?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear and understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it says the latitudinal extent influences the duration of day and night as one moves from south to north. Latitudinal extent. We all know that when we move from the equator towards the poles, the duration between the day and night also varies, right? Right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. अब आप हमें बताओ.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, इतना ये क्लियर हुआ आप लोगों को अच्छे से?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. आप हमें ये बताओ, why is there difference between duration of day and night hardly felt at Kanyakumari but not so in Kashmir? कह रहा है जो difference of day and night का होता है वो कन्याकुमारी में तो people hardly they feel it, but कश्मीर में ऐसा नहीं होता है. Can you tell me why?
Ma'am, because it's a colder place.
It is a
Ma'am, it's a extremely cold place than Kanyakumari.
Anokhi.
Kanyakumari is no.
Anokhi would like to answer this question.
I'm thinking.
Okay. Yes, Abhi, you were saying something?
No, ma'am, I am also thinking.
And ma'am, most of the time, also.
Ma'am, but Kanyakumari is a hot place.
You tell me, why difference is not felt at Kanyakumari, but in Kashmir it is felt.
Ma'am, in Kashmir, it is felt or not felt?
The difference is felt. There is duration in there is a huge
Yes,
duration. Tell Anokhi, yes.
No, ma'am, I was just saying that in Kashmir it is felt, but in Kanyakumari it is not felt. That's all I was saying.
Okay, fine. Anybody for this answer? Just a general question it is. Yesterday we discussed about the heat zones. No, I told you about the heat zones. In one of the classes we discussed about that. I told you about the latitude, various latitudes which are there, the important latitudes that we
Yes,
have.
ma'am.
And I also told you that when we move from, equator towards the poles, how the duration increases. Right?
Yes,
and
ma'am.
I also told you, that at equator, the sun rays fall directly. whereas and as you move towards the upper side, closer to poles.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I hope you got
Ma'am,
the
close to equator, that's why.
exactly. Kanyakumari is close to equator, so there is hardly any difference in the day and night time period. Whereas Kashmir lies, you know, away from equator, and it is on the
Yes,
higher
ma'am, it's
altitude, and it is on the higher
Yes, ma'am.
altitude, right? That is why the difference between the day and night is more over in Kashmir, whereas in Kanyakumari it is hardly felt. Now is it clear
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
to everyone? To everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am, we have to do the reading now.
No. Anything in these 4 paragraphs not clear or understood?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yeah.
Everything clear.
Okay, fine. Now, India and the world. In this particular topic, you will be reading that how India, what kind of, you know, because of the position, location of the country, how it has benefited the country to have good relations with the other parts of the world, right? If you remember, I told you in the previous class that because of the, you know, sea routes which are quite old, since the ancient time period we have developed these sea routes, so there was more trade taking place through the sea routes than the land routes, right? Land routes developed quite late, but through the Himalayan passes and the sea routes, trade was taking place, and the intervention of the people in our country from the now north was possible only because of the Himalayas, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so let us have a quick reading of it, and then I'll explain if it is required. So, do we have Abhinath with the book?
Yes, ma'am.
Read India and the World.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the India and the world. The Indian landmass has a central location between the East and the West Asia. India is a southward extension of the Asian continent. The terrains Indian Ocean routes which
Trans-Indian
connect the countries to.
Yes, carry on.
Yes, ma'am. The countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia provide a strategic central location of India. Note that the Deccan Peninsula protrudes into the Indian Ocean, thus helping India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa, and Europe from the western coast and with Southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. No other country has a long coastline on Indian Ocean as India and indeed it is India's eminent position in the Indian Ocean which justifies the name of an ocean after it.
Naming of an ocean after it. Okay, fine. It says that Indian landmass. Wait, Abhinath, wait. It says the Indian landmass has a central location between the East and the West Asia. Yesterday, I showed you the position of the country.
Yes, ma'am.
Anna? Let me switch to that
Yes.
map. See here. Location of the country is. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
It says that the country has a central location. Okay, it has a central location. See, look at the position of the country from here also, and from here also, and from here also. The sea routes, can you see? It is centrally located, East and West Asia, towards the southward extension of the ancient continent. Now because of this, the trans-ocean Indian Ocean routes are quite easy. India can trade from here also, and from the western part also, eastern part also. I hope it is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo beta.
Ma'am, this trans is a scientific word.
नहीं, ये ट्रांस का मतलब क्या होता है बताओ, आपकी समझ से क्या होना चाहिए ट्रांस का मतलब? हाँ,
Ma'am, root. बड़ी
देखो वैसे तो होता है, हम ट्रांसजेंडर्स के बारे में बात करते हैं।
यस मैम, मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ।
हाँ, तो ये एक प्रीफिक्स है जो ट्रांस जो है, ठीक है।
मैम लेकिन इसका यहाँ पे क्या मतलब?
यहाँ पे मतलब ये होगा कि भाई ऐसा समझ लो आप, रुको एक मिनट, आप बता रहे हैं।
मैम मतलब दोनों तरह के इंडियन
यहाँ
रूट्स मैम, बिकॉज
यहाँ पे देखो यहाँ पे ये बेसिकली हमारे जो ट्रेड रूट्स के बारे में बात कर रहा है थ्रू ओशंस, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है। ट्रांस मीन बाईपासिंग या जो भी होता है ना, उस चीज में यूज करते हैं हम इसको, ठीक है।
Ma'am, across.
हाँ, अक्रॉस, एग्जैक्टली।
And rather because it's connected to many regions, that's why.
हाँ, मेनी पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड थ्रू द सी रूट, ठीक है। गॉट इट?
Ma'am, we have to do you know also.
यस मैम।
wait. Okay, now it says,
Since ma'am,
wait. Now it says because of the position, it gives a strategic location to the country, where you know the country can trade from both the sides, from the western part also, from the eastern part also. And it says the coastline of the Indian Ocean that we have. Just now I told you that both the sides, if you go towards the western Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats, if you see, we have a very long coastline. Now, those countries which have these kind of coastlines, it is very easy for the people to trade through the oceanic routes, through the sea routes, right? So it says that because of the coastline that we have, it is very easy for the Indians to trade. And then it also says that because of the position of the southern coast, the coastline that we have, the name that has been given Indian Ocean, it actually signifies it, right? So this is what they
Yes,
have
ma'am.
explained in this particular paragraph. I hope it is clear and understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Do you know, says that since the opening of the Suez Canal in 1869, India's distance from Europe has been reduced by 7,000 kilometers. Do you know where is Suez Canal?
Ma'am, yes.
Okay.
Ma'am,
See,
it
earlier,
is,
I'll show you where it is. ये जो है, ये यहाँ पे,
ma'am, this, yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, ये जो यहाँ पे है,
No,
ये
Africa and
हाँ, ये जो है यहाँ पे स्वेज कैनाल बनी, जिससे कि स्वेज कैनाल के बनने से क्या हुआ, जो भी हम ट्रेड यहाँ से कर रहे थे, पहले हम पूरा घूम के ऐसे जाते थे, ठीक है, ट्रेड करने के लिए, या हम यहाँ से पूरा घूम के ऐसे जाते थे, घूम के, ठीक है, वो हमारे लिए इजी हो गया। क्या हो गया?
Easy.
ma'am, but we can also go between Asia.
कैसे जाओगे बेटा? नॉट पॉसिबल।
Ma'am, permission लेके.
बेटा परमिशन वाली बात नहीं होती, इसमें दिक्कत क्या होती है ना, कि जब आप ट्रेड करते हैं, जब आप
मैम तो मैम शिप नहीं ला पाएंगे हम, और तो जा सकते हैं। ठीक है,
देखो यहाँ से हम जब ट्रेड करने जाते थे, तो हमें यहाँ पे, क्योंकि कोई हमें शॉर्ट रूट नहीं था यहाँ पे हमारे पास, तो हम क्या करते थे, हम एक लॉन्ग रूट लेते थे ऐसे ट्रेड करने के लिए, ठीक है। अब जब ये डिस्टेंस खत्म हो गया, ये सुएज कैनाल यहाँ पे खुली, इसके खुलने से क्या हुआ, यहाँ से कनेक्टिविटी ज्यादा इजी हो गई टुवर्ड्स द यूरोपियन कंट्रीज, ठीक है।
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
इसकी वजह से क्या हुआ, ट्रेड और इजी हो गया, डिस्टेंस कम हो गया, तो ज्यादा ट्रेड होने लगा। अदरवाइज क्या होता था, लंबे रूट की वजह से बहुत ज्यादा रेगुलर जो है ट्रेड नहीं हो पाता था, पर डिस्टेंस शॉर्ट होने की वजह से ट्रेड हमारा जो है वो रेगुलर होने लगा।
मैम 12,000 kilometers were reduced.
सोचो सोचो,
अरे no ma'am, 7,000 was reduced. Ma'am, it is written.
it is written that
And
7,000,
1,000
हाँ
Ma'am, earlier it was 19,800 kilometers and now it is 7,000.
हाँ, तो 12,000 किलोमीटर बचा केवल, है ना।
Yes, ma'am. That's why I was saying.
हाँ, this is what you were telling, हाँ वो अभी could not understand what you are saying। तो ये क्लियर हुआ बेटा, ये रूट वाला चीज क्लियर हो गया आप लोगों को।
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes.
Ma'am, from Suez Canal, ma'am, they only go to Europe.
No, means of course they go to other parts also of the world, but they are saying because of the opening of this Suez Canal, it has reduced the distance of trade।
Ma'am, so what has opened there?
Suez Canal खुल गई बेटा, पहले नहीं थी। एक
Ma'am, Suez Canal was
कैनाल, आर्टिफिशियल
Ma'am,
कैनाल
what was
बनाया,
made in Suez Canal?
हाँ। This canal was made so that trade could happen, the distance could be
Okay, ma'am.
cut short। जैसे like we have bypasses on the roads, no, bypasses है ना।
Yes, ma'am.
तो बाईपास से क्या होता है, रोड शॉर्ट हो जाती है ना, डिस्टेंस कम हो जाता है, हमें सिटी के
Yes,
बीच
ma'am.
से नहीं निकलना पड़ता है, हम सिटी को बाईपास करके हम बाहर से आउटस्कर्ट से निकल जाते हैं, तो हम ट्रैफिक वगैरह हमारा कम हो जाता है, तो हमारी जो ट्रैवलिंग टाइम है वो हमारा कम हो जाता है, ठीक है। तो ठीक ऐसे ही सुएज कैनाल के खुलने से जो डिस्टेंस था इन ट्रेड दैट रिड्यूस्ड। ओके,
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
फाइन फाइन।
Ma'am, sir, passes in cities are for that only. Ma'am, to
हाँ,
reduce the distance.
यस, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। आप देखो ये जो फ्लाईओवर्स बनाए जा रहे हैं, इन सब का क्या मोटिव है बनाने का?
Ma'am, because there are so many jams in the city.
ट्रैफिक जैम्स वगैरह कम करने के लिए, भाई ट्रैवलिंग टाइम जो है उसको कम करने के लिए और इजी स्मूथ मूवमेंट ऑफ द व्हीकल्स, उसके लिए बाईपासेस बनाए जाते हैं, उसके लिए फ्लाईओवर्स बनाए जाते हैं कि जो रेगुलर ट्रैफिक है वो नीचे से जाए और जो कनेक्टिविटी वाले रोड्स हैं वो अलग रहे, जिसमें अगर किसी को जो है भाई कहीं किसी और उसमें कनेक्टिविटी, किसी और स्टेट में जाना है या किसी और रीजन में जाना है, कनेक्ट होना है, तो उसके
Ma'am,
लिए
for roadways buses, these are made.
एग्जैक्टली, ठीक है, ये क्लियर हो गया।
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Anoki, will you read for me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, carry on.
And from the next page.
India's contacts with the world.
All right, ma'am. India's contacts with the world have continued through ages, but her relationships through the land routes are much older than her maritime contacts.
Contacts. Okay, this
The
line
various
is
passes.
Acha, chalo, you carry on. Later on, I'll explain.
All right, ma'am. The various passes across the mountains in the north have provided passages to the ancient travelers, while the oceans restricted such interaction for a long time. These routes have contributed in the exchange of ideas and commodities since ancient times. The ideas of the Upanishads and the Ramayana, the stories of Panchatantra and Indian numerals, and the system thus could reach many parts of the world. The spices, muslin, and other merchandise were taken from India to different countries. On the other hand, the influence of Greek sculpture and the architectural styles of dome and minarets from West Asia can be seen in different parts of our country.
Okay, fine. Now, in these two paragraphs, they have simply told you that how, exchange of ideas happened because of these sea routes when people were traveling from one place to another, one country to another country. So the ideas that were carried by these people also traveled long distances. Like if you see in the present time, the movement is quite easy. You have airways, you have waterways, you have landways, right, for the connectivity. But in the initial periods, connectivity was possible only through the sea routes, right? It says no, India's contacts with the world have continued through ages, but her relationships through the land routes are much older than her maritime contacts. कह रहे हैं लैंड रूट्स फिर भी बहुत पुराने हैं, सी रूट्स जो हैं वो लेट में डेवलप हुए, बट लैंड रूट्स जो हैं बहुत पुराने हैं। क्यों? क्योंकि अगर आप देखो हिमालयन रीजन से चंगेज खान के टाइम से, है ना, मोहम्मद गौरी, महमूद गजनवी, दीज पीपल हैव बीन इंक्लूडिंग इन द कंट्री थ्रू द लैंड रूट्स ओनली। हिमालयाज के थ्रू, पासेस के थ्रू ये लोग आए। तो वो कह रहा है कि लैंड रूट्स के थ्रू जो रिलेशनशिप्स है दे आर मच ओल्डर देन द मैरीटाइम कॉन्टैक्ट्स। मैरीटाइम कॉन्टैक्ट्स का मतलब क्या हुआ? सी रूट्स, वाटरवेज के थ्रू जो कॉन्टैक्ट्स थे वो नए हैं, और जो लैंड रूट्स के थ्रू थे वो काफी पुराने हैं। The various passes across the mountains in the north have provided passages to the ancient travelers, while the oceans restricted such interaction for a long time. Ocean के through क्योंकि बहुत distances बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाते थे तो नहीं हो पाता था interaction. This is clear to everyone?
Your voice is coming very low.
But some instability in the connection is there. What to do? Okay.
Ma'am, I can hear you.
Fine. Now it says in the second paragraph, these routes have contributed in the exchange of ideas and commodities since ancient times. Ideas हमें पता है, देखो आज की डेट में it is not very difficult to move from one place to another. So what I have in my mind, my ideas can easily travel through me from India to, if I am traveling abroad in any other country, I can carry my ideas there with me and implement them over there. So it says that the exchange of the ideas and the commodities was possible only through the routes that were developed at that time. And it also says that whatever we had, we were able to pass it on to the other parts of the world, and what others had, they were able to pass it on to our country through these routes only. So whatever we have in the present time, be it architecture, be it the writing styles, be it anything that we say, it is a mixture of everything. Like if you see the Indian architecture, we have a Mughal architecture also, we have Gothic architecture style also. So all these architectural styles, they have developed since ages because of the intervention of the people that have been coming to the country, right? Right? अगर हम छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल अगर आपको बताएं कि पहले की डेट में कोई भी चीज जो जहां पैदा होती थी, जहां पे उसका बर्थ रीजन माना जाता था, इट वाज कन्फाइंड टू दैट एरिया ओनली. पर आज की डेट में इफ यू लुक इनटू इट, आप देखो हर तरीके की चीज, एवरी टाइप ऑफ थिंग, every kind of commodity is available everywhere in the world, be it a region within a country, within a state, everything is available, easily available, because of the development in the transportation and the communications, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, these two paragraphs are clear and understood to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything not understood?
No, ma'am.
Fine.
May I
Ma'am,
read?
Yes, Anadya?
ma'am, India is a female country.
India is a female country, I know. भारत माता है ना? Senior country or female country?
Ma'am, female, ma'am, I got to know from this paragraph, ma'am, it is written her maritime contact.
हाँ, तो ये तो बेटा बहुत पहले भी से कर रहे हैं हम लोग. शी, हम इंडिया के लिए शी यूज करते हैं, है ना? भारत माता कहते हैं, भारत पिता थोड़ी कहते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
And his will not look better also.
Exactly. That is why females are, worshipped here in India, because of this reason only. Okay. Shall we move on?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
India's neighbor. Ishan, will you read?
What, ma'am?
India's neighbors. Will you read?
Ma'am, I don't have the book.
Arey, I am sharing the screen. You can see.
मैम यहाँ दिख नहीं रही है मैम, नेटवर्क कनेक्शन है.
Very bad. Who else is there?
May I read?
Wait. Acha, Abhinav. Acha, Pradyunsh is also there, no? Pradyunsh, camera on.
Ma'am, my front camera is not working.
Okay, fine. You read India's neighbors.
Sure, ma'am. India's occupy an important strategic position in South Asia. India has 29 states and 7 union territories. India shares its labor boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal, and Bhutan in the north, and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. Our southern neighbors across the sea consist of 2 island countries, namely Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separate from India by a narrow
Maldives.
channel of sea formed by a Park Strait and the Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives Island are situated in the south of Lakshadweep Island. India has had a strong
Ma'am,
geographic
Advanced
Pradyumsh,
I
your
believe not
voice,
audible.
Pradyumsh, your voice is
Yes,
gone.
ma'am. Ma'am, his voice is not audible.
Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Now I can read from Sri Lanka and Maldives again.
Okay, ma'am. Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separate from India by a narrow channel of a sea formed by Park Strait and the Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives are situated to the south of Lakshadweep Island. India had strong geographical and historical links with her neighbors. Look at the physical map of Asia in your atlas and note how India stands apart from the rest of Asia.
Okay. Beta, this is the Park Strait. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
So Park Strait joins Sri Lanka with India only through this route. We are able to,
Yes, ma'am.
right? And then we have Maldives over here. These are
Ma'am,
Lakshadweep
ma'am,
Islands.
ma'am,
Yes.
can
Yes,
you tell,
ma'am.
again tell what is Park State? Where is it?
Here, this one. This.
Ma'am, Park